I'm not sure if I'm capable to do this by myself. I've done this a long time ago, but this is what that hip power is coming from. Like I said, I've done this maybe 2 years ago, but this is a challenge for you guys. If you've done this, this is great. If you're not ready, do not do this. This will for more advanced, okay? So this exercise is you can start positioning actually. Let's do more safe way. So you step on the back of the bowl. Here we go. Get that bowl under your belly. Now you go ahead, your knees together. Your knees together. So what you're doing here, like I said, I didn't do this for many, many years. Get your arms in front, start roll yourself up, and roll this legs on that bowl. Let me readjust it because I gotta get close to camera. Yes. So the idea is that was the safe way. You hold yourself on that bowl. Your arms is down. Okay. So get that balance, and from here, that's what the challenge in. Drop your knee to the side. Left and right. Left and right. And you can go fast. Oh, I do it. Great. This is the challenging one. And get up. Try to do this one. This is really cool exercise for your lower back. Activate that glutes, deep core muscle. I challenge you. So do it and send the video, please.